Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting a reverse flow with a vertical chamber going out here. Still messing with the torch on it. I got my plasma stuff coming in though, so be speeding up again pretty soon. But just going slow and easy with this torch. It's kind of a slower process. Especially with this one, because this one has so much cut out on it. There's a lot of parts to this, bits and pieces. I did finish the other three reverse flows that I had going in the last video. I went ahead and got those knocked out and that vertical. And that's them here. That's two of them. The one in the back just has a bare metal finish. And then the other one over there. The bare metal one and that one had the griddle top on them. But I got those knocked out. They're just waiting to be picked up. I'm trying to get this one done. I got a Santa Maria grill going right now too. Actually got several things going right now. Finally got everything cut out and just getting it tacked up now, getting it welded out. I run them flat like this sometimes. Really, that table's a little high for it. And if I put it on the lower table, for some reason, standing like that puts a crick in my back after a while. Because you're gonna be there for a while rolling that thing over and welding it out, I really prefer to stand it up and just run it down and then do the ends with it laying flat. And that's the vertical chamber over there. Probably 2.5, 3 hours welding to get these things, both chambers welded out. And then a little extra once you put it together because it takes quite a bit there too. It's just a matter of crawling all over it for a while, getting it all welded out. There you can see I'm back with the plasma, getting that door cut out. Ended up doing a couple on those three I just did. Ended up doing a couple of them with the grinder, waiting on the parts to come in, the torch head. I mean, it's not that bad with the grinder, but it's hard on that grinder. And it's kind of time consuming. A lot of that metal dust everywhere. Then you can kind of see I framed it in before I cut it out. I tack that frame in as I go so it's holding it, so it don't just fall out on me while I'm doing it. And that's about all I got on it. This is it right here. I kind of had the video going sideways. But this is the combo where you can use it as a vertical or reverse flow or at the same time. If you're looking for a smoker, something like this, a regular reverse flow, vertical smokers, grills, anything, you can shoot me an email. I'll have it in the description box. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.